Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with a small tutorial on generating topology in 3ds Max. So let's get started. So let's take a plane over here and let's increase its segments over here. Let's slightly push this up over here. So convert to editable poly. After that, let's select one of the edges over here. You can go into this modeling, poly modeling, and you have an option called generate topology. So let's go into generate topology. Into that, what I can do over here is like I can take any of the topology over here. So let's take this topology over here. Let's select the polygons and let's go into this, set it as a inset and slide, click OK. After that, let's give a bit of bevel. So now I can work with this stuff and let's click OK. So once you're done, I'll just go into this and let's give a turbo smooth over here, so looks much better. After that, let's again take a plane. So as you can see over here, you have different options for topology over here. So let's go into this and let's just reduce its segments, convert to editable poly, select any of the edges, and you can see you can give any of the topologies from here. So let's give the same kind of topology over here, select the polygons, you can select the edges, I'm sorry, and create shape from selection, make it as linear and let's click OK. So as you can see over here, so I have generated one shape from this. You can go into this rendering, enabling viewport. As you can see, I have generated such kind of shape from here. As you can see, using this topology, again select this, let's select its polygons, let's give a bit of inset and let's just delete it, so that also can be used. So now this is a kind of a flat surface, so you can go into the edges, the ring, or you can just select the corner edges. It's better you select the polygons, no problem. After that, let's take another plane over here. So 26 by 26, so convert to editable poly, and you also have some kind of topology over here where you can create some kind of broken glass or something that can also be created. So let's go into this and let's slightly use such kind of stuff. can use it in this way, and you can give a bit of shell modifier to it. So you can make it a bit thicker over here, and you can easily give a glass material. Can go into this architectural, and I'll just give a glass, so I can reduce its transparency. You can see. So topology is a good option, can be utilized in many other ways. So you can create any kind of a shape and you can utilize this topology option. So topology can also be used on other surfaces. So let's first convert to editable poly. Can get such topologies as well. So I can just select this and I can just go into this. I'll select the edges and the same way create shape linear. That's it. That's a good option. As you can see, we can make it as a rectangular stuff for kind of grills or something, can be used. So that's how your topology option can be utilized in different ways. So guys, if you have any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So thanks for watching this tutorial.